Hey guys, welcome to Protocoders Point. Okay, so in this Flutter tutorial, we're gonna build a bottom navigation bar as you can see over here. For this, to achieve this, I have made use of a Flutter library called as Convex Bottom Bar. So this is the official site of this library. You can refer this. The link will be in the description. Okay. And one more thing, this is my website where you can find the article related to this. Okay, so I have already written the article for this, the step-by-step process how to do, everything is there. Okay, so now let's go to Android Studio to build the app. Okay, so I have already created new Flutter project. You can create a new project and give a name as per your choice. Okay, when you build a new project, Flutter team provides you a default code. Okay, so I have just removed all the code from that, and this is the final code. So this is a stateless widget, and in home page I have one stateful widget. Okay, so then we need to add this library in pub.yaml file. So open pub.yaml file and just in at the down of this flutter here, just add this library convex bottom bar and keep the version as empty. uh, when it is empty, the latest version will be fetched from the server. And after adding this, just press this button pub get. What this will do is fetch all the libraries to the external libraries over here. Okay, as you can see, exit code is 0, that means it is success. Okay, so now come to main page. No, so for that, okay, so as you can see, we need 4 pages over here: home page, favorite page, search page, and profile page. So we need to create all these pages. For that, you need to here create new dart file, and first thing we need is home page. Home page, and this is the code. First import material page, then stateless widget, home page, and here scaffold, that returns scaffold with body column widget. Column widget will make all the widgets at the center, will make us children. Here we will just display a text that will show home page. Okay, give a size to the text. The size will be font size of 20. Okay, so this is the home page. So just copy it, and likewise create three more pages. Second page will be favorite page, and just copy paste the code from home page, and just replace everything. Favorite page. Okay, I will just fast forward over here and do this first. Okay, Okay, so we have created four pages: home page, favorite page, search page, and profile page. Okay, then go to main.dart file. Here you need to import all the pages. Import home, import uh, favorite, import search, import profile page. Okay, and also we need to import this convex bottom bar. Okay, import convex bottom bar dart file. Okay, so we are done. Okay, after that we to need to do okay. Okay, so create one integer that will be the selected page. Okay, the default value will be 0, and create a final variable which will be of which will be page option, which will be of type array. This array will hold all the pages. First page will be home page, second will be favorite page, third will be search page, and fourth will be profile page. Okay, this is of type array. Okay, first page will start with index. This is index 1, that is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now we'll create bottom bar. Okay, just remove that return and add scaffold. Here we need app bar. If you don't need, you can no need to add this. Here it will be title text just to display FLU double footer BU double to bottom bar example. Okay, okay, I will just run this app now. Okay, as you can see, I have a app bar and nothing else in this app. Okay, and in this body tag we will at when the app will be first time opened, we need to show home page. Okay, for that in body tag we will pass page option dot selected page. Okay, as you can see, the index is 0, 0 of array position 0, so home page will be opened. As you can see, I have run the app, home page is open. Okay, after that we will create a bottom bar. For that, here bottom navigation bar, we will then here convex app bar. Here we need four items four items, tab item, icon, icon dot home icon. Then we will add a title to this home. Okay, like this you need to create four tabs with icons. Four tabs. Here favorite, search, and last thing is profile. For profile it is person icon, person profile, search. Let's make everything capital. Okay, after this initial index should be at position 0. Okay, for that we pass selected page. Okay, and on if on tab means if any tab is been pressed, what should happen? Okay, for that this is the function index, and here we will make use of state set state property, and we will change the selected page with the index that is been pressed. Okay, so now let's run the app. It is running. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, now the page is with, as you, as you can see, the bottom bar has been created. As you can see, so nice animation, profile page, search page, home page. Okay, that's all for this video tutorial. So all this code is available in our website, you can check out. Everything is there over here, step by step processes how to do. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.